2023 Ford F-150 Lightning. With less than 27,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, backup camera, tinted windows, electric motor, plug-in electric, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. This is a top-rated dealer. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.